I am an aesthetic doctor. Of course, I'm obsessed with facial contouring treatment.
I'm an aesthetic doctor. Of course, I give you the best aesthetic advice.
I am an aesthetic doctor. Of course, I'm good with handling needles.
I'm an aesthetic doctor. Of course, I want everyone to have radiant, glowing skin.
I am an aesthetic doctor. Of course, I love to give lectures.
I'm an aesthetic doctor. Of course, I'm obsessed with body toning.
I am an aesthetic doctor. Of course, I love to pamper myself.